Hello, today we are doing a live reading of Black with a Lump of Sugar in Mountain View, California, next to a freeway. Black with a lump of sugar. He stares at us, at my brother and me, as if we're aliens, rabid animals unfit to sit with him, the poster boy of modernity. Yes, I'll have 2 eggs poached 3 minutes with a teaspoon of Florentine sauce on the side. He drinks coffee instead of Darjeeling tradition. Black with a lump of sugar, please. But it's our house. We can eat anything we want for breakfast now that we're older. Even him, if he's not careful. He tells his mother on the phone and all our friends over beer how I cooked spaghetti for him the first morning after the wedding. It wasn't even real, just ragu. How do you know if something's real? Can't it be a glint of broken glass left over from childhood, caught in the corner by the sun's fleeting glance? Does it have to be tangible? He wasn't there every 6:41 a.m. for 18 years, even sacred Saturdays, watching our parents lay out breakfast. My brother couldn't read the tea leaves. I didn't know we'd be chewing the same kind of toast, scanning the same unfailingly happy labels of boxes of Honey Nut Cheerios. What do you mean you won't eat this again? You don't know how lucky you are. I went so hungry most days in Kolkata. Your grandfather was dead. No one looked to see if I ate or died. Now sit down. I hate that cartoon bee now. I've been stung enough from this new American tradition. Now we eat everything else. Cold mushroom pizza, stale Thai rolls that have seen better springs, leftover mugu gai pan straight out of the carton, even tandoori shrimp hardened by the dark glare of the sub-zero climb in the fridge. No Cheerios, no whole wheat toast, no tea, no orange spice or otherwise will pass through these lips again. He'll go hungry if he doesn't sit up and open the menu.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bongos by the incredible Joy Laskar.
That was awesome.